Our video is completely ready. Okay, so now export. And here's the export download button. Let's say name. Let's check this video right now.
This AI update is transforming the video creation industry. With this new AI, anyone can create realistic videos by typing a simple sentence. This is NVIDIA's biggest update yet, V3.0. Try NVIDIA AI for free and make 40 free videos each month. So it's almost free.
Okay, so you understand how it works, right? Let's upload this video to YouTube. Right now, I'm showing this channel as an example, and I'll show how to optimize this video. For the shorts, title, description, and thumbnail is the most crucial part. And also, there's an option called tag. I'll add a IKC title. Create 40 videos each month. 40 videos free each month with this AI tool. Yeah, it looks good. We can add a description here. Later, we'll add the affiliate link in the first column or first paragraph. If you upload the video from desktop, you cannot change the thumbnail. So you have to upload from your mobile app so that you can change the different frame as a thumbnail, so that you can add a custom thumbnail. It's not a custom thumbnail. You can add from this frame section. Okay.
I mean, the video creation into
Altered content. Yeah. I'll choose this one. Yes. And definitely I'll add relevant tags over here. So tags should be AI tools, video, and so many. And also you can get some ideas from different tools like generate video tags for free. You'll find lots of tools which are totally free, like this one. So my topic is AI tool. Clipboard, and I will add it here. We need to check that because sometimes they actually promote their brand name. I'll remove which is not relevant to my video. Yeah, perfect. So I'll just upload it. Add a related video if you want to. Yeah, definitely you can. For now, I'm just skipping it. And there is no copyright issue. Next, and publish. Sometimes copyright issue actually comes after a few days, even for a few months. It totally depends on the creator. But from the YouTube standpoint, it's not any problem. There is no problem. Okay, it's done. So let's see how it works. But after in the next chapter,
this AI update.
In the next chapter, I'll show you how to create affiliate link and just upload or set it into the comment section and pin that link in that comment section. So you have to. For now, I'm just putting it here just like this. Okay. And I will pin it. Okay. So for now, I'll just remove it. So this is the method.
Data is transforming the video creation.
We have to set the subtitle more upper area because the channel name just above the subtitles.
Industry. With this new AI, anyone can create realistic videos by typing a simple sentence. This is NVIDIA's biggest update yet, V3.0. Try NVIDIA AI for free and make 40 free videos each month. So it's almost free.
Okay, so perfectly fine. Hope you understand how it works, how to edit the video, how to upload the video. You got full perspective. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.